Hi students, in this video we are going to do some jump rope. Remember, if you don't have a jump rope, you can find something else to use in your house. You can tie two belts together. You can use a long sleeve shirt that you tie together. You could use a long rope that you have for another thing, maybe a dog leash. Okay, be creative. If you have a jump rope, that's best though. So, in this jump roping video, we'll warm up a little and then we're going to listen to a jump rope song. So just a reminder for jump rope, you want to wait till the jump rope be on the ground and then jump. Okay, and your arms go around. Okay, you don't want to stop. You want to keep having your arms go around. Okay, so over, down, jump, over, down, jump, over, down, jump. Okay, really make sure you're not starting before it touches the ground. Wait for the jump rope to touch the ground. Over, down, jump. Okay, let's practice together. Maybe try to 10 jumps. Okay, and go. Over, down, jump. Over, down, jump. Over, down, jump. Over, down, jump. Okay, I messed up there. If you mess up, that's okay. Let's keep practicing. Over, down, jump. Over, down, jump. Over, down, jump. Okay. Now, while we feel a little warm, we are going to listen to a new jump rope song I just discovered. So remember, if you mess up, that's okay. Just keep jumping. Okay? Get ready?
Bubble gum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? Jump!
Jump!
Jump rope!
Jump!
Jump! Jump rope! Jump! Jump rope! Jump rope! Jump rope! For your heart! 'Cause you're smart!
'Cause you're smart!
For your lungs!
For your lungs!
'Cause it's fun! For your weight! Looking great! For your muscles!
For your muscles!
Ready, set, go, baby, jump!
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 Jump! Jump rope! Jump! Jump rope! Jump rope! Jump rope! Swing the rope! To and fro! With your wrists! Crisscross tricks! Double dutch! Partner up! Skipping backwards! Ready, set,
Let's try backwards!
Jump rope! Jump! Jump rope! Jump! Jump rope! Jump rope! Jump rope! Jump rope! Jump rope!
Okay, hope you enjoyed that jump rope song. Remember, if you messed up, that's okay. Jump rope just takes practice. I practice a lot. So outside this video, you can spend time practicing. Okay, remember, over, down, jump. Over, down, jump. Okay, remember to keep your arms going and watch the rope. Okay? Now, we're going to listen to one more jump rope song. Try your best. Have fun. Let's get our heart beating really, really fast and have some fun jumping.
Come on, everybody, old and new. Get a rope, you know what to do. Forget your trouble, forget the clock. Go into the jump rope right now. Just jump rope,
Jump!
jump
back to jumping. Take a break if you need to. And then, get back to jumping.
1, 2, 3, hey, look at me. Let's jump, rock and roll. Dancing in the valley where the green grass grows. There's that Sue, sweet as a rose. She sang so sweet. Along came Michael and kissed her on the cheek.
Jump!
Mabel, set the table. Dressed as fast as you are able. Don't forget the salt and sugar and red hot pepper.
Take a break if you need to. Jump! Break over!
Keeping it hard and soul. 1, 2, 3, and look at me. ABC, happy as can be. It's a jump rock dickory. Jump, rock, and roll.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed those 2 jump rope songs as much as I did. Hope you got your heart beating fast. Remember, if you messed up, that was okay. Just keep practicing. Get that jump rope and keep practicing. Okay, remember, if you like this video, you can go back and watch it again, or go back into my PE virtual classroom, click on another object, and play another PE video. Thanks for watching. Bye.